This 2024 Aliner Ranger 10 dual bunk is a pop-up RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Aliner is 13 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, water heater, skylight, external shower, stovetop burner, refrigerator, leveling jacks, and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Aliner Ranger 10 dual bunk is 1,433 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.